Hello students, welcome to Maths with Ravinder ma'am. We are doing distance between two points in 2D plane. So we know what is the distance between any 2 points. If one point is at a distance of 4, 0 and other is at 2, 0, means the points are on x-axis. We were saying the distance between these two is 4 minus 2, 2 units. This we have done in before exercise 1.1. And similarly, if the 2 points are on y-axis, we know how to find the distance. But now the question is, if any 2 points in the plane, suppose this is the plane, and there are any 2 points, this is pxy, p, and this is q. So how to find the distance between these two? This is p, let p be p x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So to find the distance between these 2 points, we cannot simply subtract the x2 minus x1 because I'm showing you with different color. Let me take this blue pen, right? Because P is corresponding to this point. This distance is x1 and this distance is x2. But our question is not to find this. We have to find this distance. And similarly, this is y1 and this is y2. So to find this distance, we use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this point was P, this is Q, let this be R. Now we know what is x1, x2. By subtracting this x2, and let me take this is the P. Yes, if this is P, this is P. This point is P, right? So x2 minus x1 is equal to PR, and y, this is y2, y2, this is whole y2, this is y1. So distance QR, y2 minus y1 is equal to QR. But our question is to find PQ. This we have to find. Remember your class 8. If this is the right angle triangle, why this is? Because this is the perpendicular line. And this side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. To find PQ, the formula will be perpendicular square plus base square. So you can find what is this. The same formula is there. You will be using the formula x2. Let me write the formula here. This is PQ is equal to xq minus x1 square. I'm writing. So PQ is equal to under root, this is PR square plus QR square. This is equal to PR is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Y2 minus y1 square. So this is the formula you have to remember, known as distance formula, right? Based on this, we will do one question giving to you in the book. If any, suppose, if any plane is given to you, this is the plane, and any 2 points P, 3, 4 and Q, this point is 7, 5, this is given to you. Suppose we have to find the distance. Let me take the example from the book. So these points could be any. Here you have to find the distance between AM, AD and DM. So if you have to find the sides of the triangle, again you will find this distance. Here you can take x2 is equal to x1 is equal to 3, x2 y1 is equal to 4, and x2 is equal to 9, y2 is equal to 6, x3 is equal to 7, y3 is equal to 1. Let me take this as A, this point is A, this is B, this is, sorry, not B, given in the book is M. Let me take this as M, and this point is given to you D. This you will find in the figure 1.6 in your prescribed book. So AM is equal to, AM will be equal to, same formula we will be using, under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Substitute the values. 9 minus 3 square plus 6 minus 4 square. Suppose in any question you are getting negative, distance is always in positive number. Suppose you are getting minus, you are saying the answer could be, let us see what the answer we are getting. This is 36, 6 square is 36 plus 2 square. So this comes out to be 36 plus 4 under root 40. So this side is AM is equal to root 40. Answer you will not give. Okay, this is equal to plus minus 40. Distance is never negative. So now come to this. If our question is to find, now AM we have done AD. AD is equal to, this is x3. We have taken the points x3 and x2. So x3 minus x2 square plus y3 minus y2 square. This is 7 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 6 square. So this comes out to be minus 2 square is 4 plus minus 5 square is 25 under root 29. This is the distance. So third part we have to find. This is AD. AD we have found. Now we have to find DM. DM is equal to these 2 points we have taken. This is x2, x1, x3, y3. So x2, or you can say x3. x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. This comes out to be under root 7. We have found am. We have done 9 minus 3 whole square, right. Then we have found AD. AD was 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. So this we have done DM. This is not AD, this is DM. So DM, right, DM, this is 7 minus 9. X3, this is X1, Y1 I have taken, X2, Y, right. So now we have to find AD. AD is x3 minus x1 square plus y3 minus y1 square. X3 is equal to 7 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. This comes out to be 4 square plus minus 3 square. So 16 plus 9 under root 25. This is equal to 5. So these are the values of the length. So you must remember the formula. This is the very important formula. This is, you must remember. Every time you have to use this. This is in many questions, even in other topics you have to use this formula. This is P x1 y1 q x2 y2 distance. PQ is equal to, this formula is, must remember, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So make a note in your notebook. You can use one notebook for formulas only, and this formula commit to memory. Keep in your mind always. Distance formula is PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Revise the topic properly, and we will do the exercise in our next video. So you must like and subscribe and share to the channel. Thank you.